Hello friends. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install iTunes in Windows 10. So for that we are going to use two methods. Method first. In this method we are going to install iTunes directly from Microsoft Store. For that you need to have Microsoft account. And in second method, we are going to install iTunes directly from Google. Both the links are given in the description below. Now let's see the first method. So on your Windows 10, first open the Microsoft Store. And then search iTunes. Now click on iTunes. Now click on Get button. And it will download iTunes for your Windows 10. Now let's move to the second method. For that, copy this link and paste it in your browser. Link is given in the description below. Now click on to Download Now button. Now here you can see two options. One is for type 32-bit operating system. And another one is for type 64-bit operating system. Select one of them, as per your operating system type. As I have type 64-bit operating system, so I am selecting type 64-bit option here. After selecting type 64-bit option, you can see in bottom left corner that downloading is started. The iTunes setup file size is around 190 megabytes. As you can see here, our iTunes setup file is downloaded. Go the download location and double-click on iTunes setup EXE file. Now click on Next. Then click on Install. Now you can see here, installation is started. Now the installation is completed. Click on Finish. Then click on Agree. And here you go. iTunes for Windows 10. Thanks for watching.